what I want to do next is create these PDFs using the Commission Activator software. Alright, now here's the Commission Activator software. I have to be honest, it's kind of ugly. That's just because I'm pretty picky when I design my own software, but nevertheless it seems to work just fine. So I went in here and I thought of some keywords. Now that product I just showed you was to do with making money with Kindle, so I thought, well, let's just put make money with Kindle. And then I click start, and what that does, it goes out to the internet and it finds relevant articles, and you can see here it comes up pretty quick, and I'll grab about 10 different articles. And next thing I want to do, in the settings here, you'll see you'll have a custom message. And you can see I inserted a custom message here already, and this custom message gets inserted into your actual documents. So what this software does, takes these articles and then you can save them as PDF documents. I'll show you that in just a moment, but first let's just talk about the settings here. And I put a custom message in here. Make an easy $1,000 plus with Amazon from the #1 best-selling Kindle author. And that's true. That actual guy who wrote that course, Johnny Andrews, he was dubbed as a #1 bestseller in the Kindle network. So that's why I put that there. And this was my affiliate link. Now this is the same link here, the one I went and got, but you'll notice that I put something on the end there. Now here's something that a lot of people actually don't really know about the Warrior Plus affiliate program. You can add your own tracking links, and all you need to do is, maybe not tracking link, just tracking ID. What does that mean? Well, I want to know how many sales I actually get from people clicking on my links in these documents. That's obviously important. And so what you do is I just went / and as you can see I just added CA, which just stands for Commission Activator, or Commission Autopilot, I guess. I went CA dash and I just put docs, just so I know that when I go look at my Warrior Plus affiliate account, I look at my stats, I look for this ID, and if I see any sales and clicks from this ID, well, I know that this method works. And like I said, it worked really well. It's pretty cool. So that's all I did here, and I clicked down here. It says put the actual link and message above and below the body. So I did that. I clicked OK. Then I just selected the ones that are relevant here. So make money with Kindle, Kindle Profits Review, make money with affiliate programs and ebooks. That doesn't really apply. Let's go here, see if we could find any more real quickly. Make money, 2 ways, make money with Amazon. Good enough. Now from what I see here, this is actually different than the documents I found before, so I must have used a different keyword, which I don't recall the keyword that I actually used. But the documents that I did produce were these ones here: A Clever Way to Make Money Publishing, How to Make Money. These are the documents that it produced the first time, but I'm going to go ahead and just show you how this works here. So you click the ones you want. I'll just click those 3 for now. Then I go Convert to PDF. So I click that, and I'm going to click Yes to choose where to save them. And it was in this folder here, and I'm just going to create a new temp folder here, temp, just to show you how this works here. So that should be created now. I look inside here. Here are the documents. Now if I double click and look at them, it will have an article, sell your ebooks on Amazon, Amazon affiliate program, but you can see my link is at the top and at the bottom. Pretty simple document, right? So after I did that, I just simply created these 5 documents here with my affiliate link. So if I open up one of them, you'll see they look identical almost. See my affiliate link there. So that's what I did in step 2. So let's go ahead and close this. That's basically it with the software. It's not anything else I think in here that you need to know. So let's close that and bring up my other document there. So I create the PDFs using the Commission Activator software. The next thing I did is I uploaded those documents to document sharing websites. Let me show you that software. Alright, so here's the software, and basically what it is you just browse for those files that we created. Now this is what I did before, so I simply just grabbed all of these documents and I went open, plugs them in there, and I have 5 documents. Then you create titles for those documents. Now what I did in my case is I simply just rewrote the actual names of those books. So let me just show you here. You can see here, not books but reports, I guess. A clever way to make money publishing public domain titles. This is actually nothing to do with a Kindle, but I used it anyways. A very simple way to make easy money publishing public domain titles. Yeah, I just rewrote it. How to make money on Amazon Kindle Cashflow. How to make fast, easy cash from Amazon Kindle users. So I just changed it up a little bit. So I created these titles here, and let me just go ahead. I'm just going to copy those in there. Right click and copy. But all you have to do is just type your title here, hit return, another title, return, another title, return. And you want to do a title for each document. So there's 5 documents, you want 5 titles. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste those in there. And all I did is I just selected this, right click and copy the ones I saved in this document. Then down here you want some tags or keywords. I just came up with a few. Kindle marketing, make money with Kindle, make money on Amazon. So I used those. And then I went to the how-to guides and manuals, and then there's an optional description. And I just used the same content I used in the documents there. I just did this. Make an easy 1,000 plus on Amazon for #1 best-selling author with my affiliate link again. And if I copy that and put it here, and I actually believe I kept it the same, CA docs like that. And then I selected the document sharing sites I want to upload these documents to. Now there's actually a bunch here that you have to sign up for, like from Scribd, I believe, all the way down to MyPlix. But there's also a whole bunch that you don't have to sign up for. If you go to accounts here, you will see that there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, all the way up to myplic.com that you require your username and password. And all I did was I just unselected all the ones that required me to sign up. So the rest of these, and then I just click start. And I uploaded my books, which I already did, so I guess I'm uploading them twice again, but this is what I did. I just uploaded them, and then when that was done, I went back and I signed up for 2 of them. It wasn't, I think it was a couple up there. I can't see them. They're above the fold here. Wait till this is done here in a second. Okay, I just actually stopped it there. Let's go up top. It was this one here, crocodoc.com and docstock.com. I signed up for those 2 and created my accounts, and then I uploaded them to there as well. So that's basically all I did, and so I uploaded those. And if you're wondering what these sites are, like Scribd.com, they're document sharing websites. Let me just quickly take you to Scribd.com. Scribd. And you can see if you just click on this, it's just a document, just like. And you can see here, you can see what's in the document. This one has a bunch of pictures in it. But basically it's just a way of getting your content on the internet, and your link is in the actual document that people could click on, and that's where you make money from. Or if you have a description area in your account and whatnot. Now the reason why you don't have to actually create accounts for all these other ones, because I guess Paul Ponna and his team created their own accounts and you're using their account. So it's probably a better idea to create all your own accounts, because it'll be more unique to you and not to using their accounts. But nevertheless, it still worked for me. Now, I want to prove to you that I actually made this money, and I'm just making this up. As you remember, I said I used this tracking link. So let's go back to my affiliate account there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click into my affiliate stats here in the Perfect Publishing System. If I click into there, you will see my tracking ID. I got 103 clicks and 8 sales. Now if I just go back, you'll see the average amount I make is about 20 bucks. So 20 times 8 is $160. I just want to go back here again to this to the actual detailed stats of the link, and you'll notice that it actually says 15 clicks here. I said 103 clicks, but then you look at this little data chart here, it says clicks, I only got 15. To be honest, I'm not really sure what the clicks are in this system. I haven't really figured that out yet, But I know for sure that this actually resembles, this number here is the number that people click the link to go to the actual offer. I know that because these are other tracking links I'm using, and I'm also double tracking these, so I know that these are the clicks, not this. So I'm not sure what that is really. Anyhow, you can see here I got 8 sales from 103 clicks, which is 8% conversion. So it's very impressive that I even made 8 sales from this particular method, given that it's a free traffic source and I didn't even use a website. It's pretty cool. So you can see just how like crazy easy this method is to make money online, and literally that's all I did. Now, to be honest, I don't know a lot about the other content in Paul Pana's website there. This is the special access page that I got for partners and JV partners and affiliates and whatnot. And you can see in here there's the Commission Activator software with some training. There's also the Commission Multiplier with some training as well, and some other training here. And there was some premium member training, so I'm not sure if this is actually part of the product or if it's an upsell or something like that. But in here there was a ton of cool stuff, like secret source to getting top quality content, search rankings, traffic source here. It's a pretty cool secret traffic source. 1 cent clicks using Facebook. I watched those, not bad. Another Facebook product, or sorry, Facebook video course. I think it's about creating events or something like that. That's pretty neat. How to make money using newsletters, like email subscriber money method. That's pretty cool. So you can see there's tons of videos in here. I didn't watch this one, so I'm not sure if this one's any good. There's a few more in here as well, so I'm not sure if that's an upsell or not. And if you go to their website there, this is what it looks like. You'll get, in my opinion, sorry Paul, it's kind of a cheesy video, but you got some cheesy video here selling, you know, using that commercial style kind of video selling thing. And at the end of the day, you know what? There's no point watching the video. I just showed you the product, right? Don't watch the video. But I noticed that if you try to leave the page, so if you come here and you try to exit the page, you'll get a special discount. So we stay on the page here. You can get for 47 bucks. I thought there was another $10 discount. I'm going to try and exit again here, see what happens. There we go. Exit twice, and I got a $10 discount for 37 bucks. So it's definitely worth 37 bucks because I just made $160 in like a couple of days. So it's pretty good little method. I have to admit the software isn't that fancy looking, but at the end of the day, if it works and you make money, who really cares? So anyhow, I thought just share this quick method with you, and I recommend grabbing a copy of the Commission Autopilot and trying out selling some WSO products, affiliate products, or even you can try ClickBank products. You know, go over to clickbank.com, sign up there, and try out some of their products. The thing is, it's all free. All these document sharing sites, they're free to sign up. It doesn't cost you anything. So everything I've shown you in here is free, obviously with the exception of getting the software. Of course, you can do it all manually. Go out and find articles, create PDF documents, put your link in it, and upload them all to those document sharing sites. But you can see just how easy it is to use Paul's software. So it's pretty cool. Anyhow, hopefully this video helps you. And for your convenience, when the video ends, I'll just redirect you right over to his website so you can take a closer look. Thanks again for watching, and I really hope this helps. Bye for now.